Hi guys, this is a new game on here. It's called Follow. I just got an ad of a new Follow game that just come out. Follow this. We're gonna do a free play next video. We're gonna do the trail. It's gonna be a hard video. Okay, guys? We're playing free play. Okay? Let's do the classic pack. I already did 4. Okay, we're on 4. I did some of this before I made this video. Hold on. It's not ever supposed to go there. Next level. An ad. Okay, hold on. Follow free. Now we're going to play a little time. Easy. Okay, we're going to do this one. There's different ways you can do the level. Next level. Okay. Hold on. Next level. Done. Okay. I just started this video 3 minutes. This is getting a little bit boring, but it's okay. I have to make this video, and it's going to be a fun one. It's getting a little bit boring. I wish we can do something a little bit fun. Now that one was long. Did you see how long it was? Like, what? Had to go into the other one. Like, crash, like, oh no. Oh, Geo. Hold on. Oh, Blocko. There. Next level. This game will be so fun. Next level. Oh no. Oh no. This one will be a little bit tricky. But not on my watch. It's not going to be so overloading tricky. Oh. Did you thought that was really easy? That was easy. That was not even that easy. Guess I'm gonna do it this way. What? Oh. What are you doing, Aiden? What? Okay. I'm gonna do all the rest of those kittens. I'm so overwhelmed with kittens that I just love them. Sorry, too much kittens in my life. This might be hard. It was kind of hard. The other one has to be the longest one. Cause look how big. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Duh. Going to the next one. I said there, pause. The heck? What was that noise? Oh. How are we gonna do it? Oh. That was so hard, literally. Okay, guys, we're about to do another mode on this. We're not going to do the time trail. Yeah, we're not going to do that one. We're still going to play this one. Maybe just one more round. And we might do the okay. So the game was trying to trick me. Yeah, you will never trick me, game. I'm so good. Let's do another one. Okay. I'm gonna do the hardest one that has 9 by 9. The 9 by 9 looks super easy to me. That because they're too tiny. So made. Oh, run away. Speed. Tricky tricks. They trick us again. That does not even happen to me all the times. This is pretty much hard. No! No! You know, this is pretty hard. Now, you cannot do this way. So, yeah. Let us. Now, the first level, they accidentally forgot. They are by 8. Pardon it. 5 by 5. 6 by 6. They have different colors in the 6 by 6. They have lots of colors in the 9 by 9. Guys, you know what? Since we're about to go, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy our videos. Here's a sneak peek to one of our other videos, okay? Let me show you the sneak. So we're off the game, guys. I think my brother got off the sneak peek that I was going to do for you guys. But since you have been good, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.